Hello guys, today we are going to be talking about attributes. What is attributes? Attributes are things that are assigned to a particular tag which are used to define their meaningfulness or their functions. So we're going to practicalize that right now. So if I say here image, if I want to upload an image and I do this, and let's say I want this image, right? Then I press open with live, or I just press refresh. As you can see, we can see the image loud and clear. And if you notice, this image is actually big, too big. So I'm going to change the image. But if you go to my channel, you can still meet my CSS property, my CSS you can check my channel and you can know how to use CSS to manipulate all these things. So as you can see, this image is showing loud and clear. So now this is an attribute src. This specifies the location where I want my image to be. So this is my image folder. I named this image, and this is the picture, which is type, which is png. Other images you can see jpeg, jpg, or any other kind of format you see. You must be wondering, what does this alt attribute does? This alt attribute does, so if I say this image is not displayed, right? I now remove this my image. Now as you can see, this thing displayed, this image is not displayed. So what this is trying to say, that if my image is not displayed, this is the alternative that will show this image is not displayed. So I put it back. Now it's displayed, and my alt attribute is not showing. That is the function of it. So now I want to do an audio attribute. I will now call my audio file, and let's say I want this. This is the type of this is not an audio file, but I will specify another audio. Okay, let's use it, and I will put controls. See, this is an audio, and this src is an attribute. These controls, without these controls, you see what will happen. See, it's not showing, but if we put it back, it's showing. Now I'm just going to show you my video attributes. If I now specify video, as I put this, and I put controls, right? Imagine, and then this video is a bit too large, right? So in my video attributes, we can also add width. We'll add width, let's say 30%. See, if I call width and give it, let's say 100%. See, the video 100%. This is how it looks like. And I don't want my video to be like this. I want it to have a picture before the thing will start playing. So I'll give it poster and my image, and then I'll now put this. Right, so you can see now this is my poster. Before this thing will start, right, it will start playing. So this is the poster before it start playing. Now all these attributes, right, we can also give it some style in the attributes, meaning that we can give attributes a bit of HTML styling. HTML styling in the sense that it can also be called inline styling. But let's say for this my image, right, for this my image here, I want to give it, let's say, poster. I will now give it background color, let's say black, right. I will now give it padding, let's say 40 pixels. Come here, I refresh. Now as you can see, now it has a background which is black background. And if I remove this padding, you see the function of what this padding does. See, it reduces it. But if I add this back, it increases the padding by each size of the background. Now let's say I want it to have some border radius. Border radius 10 pixels. Now you can see some curves. So this is just some basic HTML styling. If you want to know more about CSS and the styling function, you can just visit my page, my channel, and know more about CSS personally. Right, all these attributes, right. So in the next class, we're going to talk about how we can create a basic simple table, and I'm also going to do another complex table in the following video. So stay tuned to find my next video.